Good day, Drew here in Penobscot, Maine. This is Morse Cove, and as you can see, this thing is quite abandoned, quite derelict. That's pretty much the definition of a derelict right there. So alright, we're a little early, the tide's going out, so eventually this thing's going to be on dry land soon, so be patient and I'll be right back after these important messages. Alright. Oh, a little shallow right here, so wading out. Oh wow, looks like a nest up on top of that. Well, as you can see, this thing is not very seaworthy. Not very seaworthy at all. Completely rusted through bulkhead. Wow. About the light. There you go. There's plants growing on the deck. There's a nest on the stack. Wow. Holy crap. Oh well. Jeez, what a derelict. Yeah. Alright, this is Drew down here in Penobscot, Maine. Oh, this is where the lifeboat went. Damn, this thing is terrible shape.